We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased evaluation of the RUNBOX Slim Wallet for Men, a product that has quickly become one of the most talked about minimalist wallets on the market. If you own this wallet, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The RUNBOX Slim Wallet for Men is designed for those who value both style and functionality in their everyday carry. Measuring approximately 4.4 by 3.2 by 0.47 inches, this wallet is engineered to be slim enough for front pocket use, while still offering up to 11 card pockets and an integrated ID window. The exterior features a sleek, almost carbon fiber-like appearance, while the interior showcases a smooth tan vegan leather finish. The wallet is constructed from high-quality vegan leather, which is both durable and animal-friendly, appealing to consumers who are conscious about sustainability and ethical sourcing. One of the standout features of the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is its RFID blocking technology. This wallet incorporates a German Institute-certified RFID security layer, utilizing a unique metal composite to block signals at 13.56 MHz or higher. This is the frequency used by most modern credit cards and IDs, so the wallet effectively shields your sensitive data from electronic pickpocketing and unauthorized scans. Users consistently praise this feature, noting that it provides peace of mind in an increasingly digital world where identity theft is a growing concern. The wallet's integrated money clip is another highlight. Made from refined metal, the clip is designed to securely hold several bills without adding bulk to the wallet. Many users appreciate the strength and reliability of the money clip, stating that it keeps cash in place even during active use. However, some reviewers have noted that the vertical orientation of the clip is less convenient than a horizontal one, and a few have found the spring steel to be overly stiff, causing the wallet to remain partially open and take up more space in the pocket. For some, this has been a minor annoyance, while others have found it significant enough to impact their overall satisfaction. In terms of capacity, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is designed to hold up to 11 cards, including credit cards, debit cards, business cards, and IDs. There is a dedicated sleeve on the outside of the wallet for quick access to your most frequently used card. This sleeve features a small notch at the base, allowing users to easily push the card out with a thumb. Many reviewers have found this feature to be surprisingly effective and convenient, especially for contactless payments or ID checks. Inside, the wallet offers multiple tight-fitting sleeves for additional cards. While the snug fit ensures that cards do not fall out accidentally, some users have reported that the slots are initially very tight and can make it difficult to insert or remove cards, particularly when the wallet is new. Over time, the material tends to loosen slightly, improving usability without compromising security. The overall build quality of the RUNBOX Slim Wallet receives high marks from most users. The stitching is precise and sturdy, and the vegan leather is smooth to the touch while resisting scratches and wear. The wallet's slim profile is repeatedly praised, with many users noting that it fits comfortably in both front and back pockets without creating an unsightly bulge. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prefer a minimalist approach to carrying their essentials. The wallet's compact size also encourages users to declutter, carrying only the cards and cash they truly need. Presentation is another area where the RUNBOX Slim Wallet excels. Each wallet comes packaged in a stylish gift box, making it an attractive option for gift giving on occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, Father's Day, or Christmas. Many reviewers have purchased multiple wallets as gifts for colleagues, friends, or family members, citing the wallet's combination of affordability, quality, and presentation as key factors in their decision. The wallet's classic design, with clean lines and a hand-stitched finish, appeals to a wide range of tastes and ages. Despite its many strengths, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is not without its drawbacks. Some users have expressed a desire for additional card slots, as the wallet can become crowded when filled to capacity. Others have found the money clip's placement and rigidity to be less than ideal, with a few wishing that the clip could be removed or replaced. There are also occasional reports of certain cards not fitting perfectly in the slots, particularly wider or thicker cards. However, these issues are generally considered minor in the context of the wallet's overall performance and value. In terms of durability, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet holds up well over time. Users report that the vegan leather maintains its appearance and texture after months of daily use, and the stitching remains intact. The RFID blocking layer does not degrade with use, ensuring ongoing protection for your cards. The money clip, while stiff for some, does not lose its grip or become loose with repeated use. The wallet's compact design also helps prevent overstuffing, which can lead to premature wear in traditional wallets. From a usability standpoint, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is well suited for everyday carry. Its slim profile makes it comfortable to carry in any pocket, and the quick access sleeve on the outside streamlines transactions. The wallet's minimalist design encourages organization and reduces clutter, helping users keep only the essentials on hand. The RFID blocking technology provides an added layer of security, which is especially valuable for travelers or those living in urban environments. The integrated money clip, while not perfect for everyone, offers a practical solution for carrying cash without the need for a bulky billfold compartment. The wallet's appearance is another frequently cited advantage. The combination of sleek exterior patterns and classic interior colors gives the wallet a modern yet timeless look. Users appreciate the attention to detail in the design, from the precise stitching to the subtle branding. The wallet is available in multiple color options, allowing buyers to choose a style that best suits their personal preferences or matches their wardrobe. The gift box packaging further enhances the wallet's appeal as a present for special occasions. When it comes to value for money, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is widely regarded as an excellent investment. The wallet offers features typically found in higher-priced competitors, such as RFID blocking technology, premium materials, and thoughtful design, at a fraction of the cost. Many users have commented on the wallet's affordability, noting that it allows them to purchase multiple units for gifts or personal use without exceeding their budget. The combination of quality, functionality, and price makes the RUNBOX Slim Wallet a standout option in the crowded market of men's wallets. In summary, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet for men stands out as a stylish, functional, and affordable choice for anyone seeking a minimalist wallet with advanced security features. Its slim design, high-quality vegan leather, and integrated RFID blocking technology make it a practical solution for modern life. The wallet's strengths include its compact size, secure card slots, reliable money clip, and attractive appearance. While there are some minor drawbacks, such as tight card slots and a stiff money clip, these are generally outweighed by the wallet's many advantages. The wallet's presentation in a gift box and its reasonable price point further enhance its appeal, making it an ideal gift for friends, family, or colleagues. If you are looking for a wallet that combines elegance, security, and practicality, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet is a compelling option. Its thoughtful design and robust construction ensure that it will serve you well for years to come. Whether you are purchasing it for yourself or as a gift, this wallet delivers on its promises and has earned the trust of thousands of satisfied users. Remember, if you have experience with this wallet, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.